Good morning, class. Today we're going to continue with lesson 3, reading. The topic is protecting our planet. So please open your workbook and turn to page 3. Please jot down the vocabulary, okay? Salin vocabulary. So the title is Recycled Water, air yang dikitar semula. So wastewater is transformed into recycled water that can be used for many purposes, which means no fresh water supplies are used for this process. So wastewater, air sisa, air yang telah digunakan, is transformed, maksudnya dia ditukarkan into recycled water, air yang dikitar semula that can be used for many purpose, yang boleh digunakan untuk banyak tujuan, which means no fresh water supplies are used for this process. Tak guna air yang baru, air yang bersih. No, we are going to use the wastewater, air yang telah digunakan. The process saves a huge amount of fresh water. So when we recycle the water, it will save. Boleh simpanlah banyak air yang bersih. Okay, like look at this picture. So the wastewater from the washing machine, from the toilet are used again. Okay, recycle. Alright, next. So usually recycled water is not used for drinking. So usually, biasanya air yang dikitar semula ni tidak digunakan untuk minum. The water can be used to wash cars and clothes in light industry. So normally untuk basuh kereta dan basuh pakaian in light industry. Maksudnya kalau ada pekerjaan yang ringan lah, light industry. And then mixing concrete in heavy industry. So ada kerja berat. Okay. Mixing concrete. So dia akan mix the concrete, campur concrete ni in this machine. And watering fields in agricultural farming. So untuk pertanian, okay, penanaman, tanam pokok. And then boleh guna air tu untuk siram, watering. Alright, next. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, there are 4 important factors for wastewater reuse. So berdasarkan Kementerian Kesihatan, there are 4 important factors. So ada 4 factors, which is number 1, water shortage. Okay, kenapa wastewater ni digunakan semula? Kenapa air yang telah digunakan reuse? We are going to reuse. Why? Number 1, because of water shortage. So maksudnya kekurangan air. So kekurangan air. Number 2, increases population. Increase, peningkatan. Peningkatan jumlah penduduk, population. Semakin ramai orang sekarang. Okay, population. Number 3, food security issues. So food security. So maksudnya kecukupan makanan tu. Okay, macam mana? Ada yang tak cukup. So that's why we have to reuse the water. And last but not least, increases air pollution and water pollution in any place. For example, Malaysia. So air pollution, udara. Air, udara, water, air. Pencemaran udara dan air. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, water pollution from the factory, from the animals and all, and then also contributes to air pollution. So pollution, pencemaran. Okay, next. Water shortage and food security issues are happening in poor African countries, while European countries have to keep pace with the growing number in population each year. So kekurangan air, water shortage and food security issues, jaminan makanan, maksudnya cukup ke tak makanan tu, are happening in poor African countries. So you know right, in Africa, mereka tak cukup makanan, while European countries have to keep pace. Okay, manakala di Eropah, European have to keep pace with the growing number in population each year. So, orang semakin ramai, penduduk semakin ramai. So, dia kena keep up. Boleh tak hasilkan makanan yang cukup, produce enough food for the people. So, that's why we have to recycle the water. So, recycled water in Singapore. Singapore is one of the many nations that uses recycled water, which is called new water. Though a small amount of the reused water is channeled back to reservoirs for drinking water, most of the recycled water production is for the high-tech industry in the country. So, Singapore ni lah salah satu negara yang menggunakan air wastewater, okay, recycled water, which is called new water. Tu nama dia lah, new water. So a small amount, jumlah yang sikit sahaja air yang digunakan semula is channeled back to reservoirs, okay, empangan for drinking water. So sebahagian yang sedikit digunakan untuk minum, tapi kebanyakan, most of the recycled water production is for the high-tech industry in the country. So, kebanyakan air digunakan untuk industri yang berteknologi tinggi. Okay, for example, in the factory, dalam kilang lah. Okay, productions means penghasilan. Penghasilan air yang dikita semula, recycled water production. So, sikit saja guna untuk minum. Kebanyakan guna di kilang industri. So, new water is considered as a successful program. So, berjayalah new water ni, as 82% of respondents state that they drink the recycled water without a doubt. And another 16% only do so when mixed with reservoir water. So, 82% respondent ni orang lah, orang yang menggunakan, people, consumers, orang yang menggunakan sesuatu benda. For example, this one, orang yang minum air ni. So, 82% minum recycled water. Air yang telah digunakan, mereka minum, 82%. 16% minum kalau dicampur dengan reservoir water. Air yang dalam empangan lah, tak adalah dia minum 100% recycled water, okay? When mixed with reservoir water, baru mereka minum 16%. So, lebih ramai yang minum. More people drink the recycled water. Okay, this one, new water. By 2060, Singapore's National Water Agency plans to triple the new water capacity, which is at around 30% of Singapore's total use, to 50% in order to meet Singapore's future water demand. Okay, let's recap. Okay, doubt, without a doubt. So, maksudnya mereka minum air yang dikita semula tanpa keraguan. Okay, without, tanpa. Doubt, keraguan. Okay, and then capacity. So, by 2060, nanti 2060, Singapore ni dia plan lah. Nanti new water ni dia akan perluaskan lagi. Okay, triple. Maksudnya 3 kali ganda, 3 times the capacity, kebolehan menampung. So, lagi banyak recycled water that will be used. Okay, lagi banyak lah air yang telah digunakan tu nak guna lagi. Okay, which is at around 30% of Singapore's total use. So, daripada 30%, dia akan tingkatkan, increase to 50% in order to meet Singapore's future water demand. So, in the future, population will be increase. Nanti jumlah penduduk semakin ramai. So, in the future, pada masa depan. So, demand, keperluan. So, keperluan pada masa hadapan. So, from 30% to 50%. Okay, now, turn to page 3, English Workbook. Answer the comprehension questions, practice A. Choose no more than 3 words and or a number from the text. Walaupun dalam buku tu dia tulis 4, right? 4 words. So please cross. Choose no more than 3, not 4. Okay, no more than 3 words from the text. Okay, try to do it yourself and turn in your word through Google Classroom.